Hey property women, it's Jo Vadillo here. I just wanted to check in, let you all know about next Tuesday's webinar. We've got Judith Taylor as our guest and she'll be talking about the Newcastle property market, what's going on there, what are the six key factors I guess you need to look at when investing in the market at the moment, with what's happening, what strategies are really working for investors, and how you can, I guess, hit bullseye in 2019 in that particular location. Now, if you are able to join our webinar, that's fantastic. But what's even better is our March 30th Newcastle bus tour with Judith as our guest host as well on the bus. Now, we run these bus tours once or twice a year, and we had so much demand at the end of October to do another one. We're doing that now for March 30th. Based on its popularity, it's a lot of the people who attend the bus tour, sometimes they're taking the strategies and the ideas they get from that and they're translating that back into the locations they are investing in. Last year we had two people on the bus actually buy property. They were not there to sell it to you, but we took them through some really good opportunities, properties that you could get DAs on to put granny flats on the back. Some properties also that we can secure for a really, really good price off market as well. So Judith's a Novocastrian, born and bred as a buyer's agent and a very active investor. She really knows what she's looking for. It's an awesome day. It's busy. It's an 8:30 start, a 4 p.m. finish in Newcastle. But with that, you get all your food, refreshments, a workbook. There's a couple little bonus surprises in the mix as well. And we take you through live case studies. So we'll be looking at renovations that are underway by some of our community members as well. Hear the truth about what's going on, the cost, where the numbers are playing out from what they expected to what it is now, what's worked really well for them, and whether they're going to buy and hold. But we get to see that real hands-on mid-action property experience, I guess. And that's a really hard thing to, as I guess, an investor to really see for yourself. So it's an awesome day. You're on a bus with a whole bunch of like-minded individuals. Yes, your man in your life or your son or your brother or your, a significant other is more than welcome to join us on the bus tour. We always have a few guys in the mix because buying in property, I guess if you're investing with a partner, it's important that they come along with the education journey with you as well. So we're at about 50% capacity. Please secure your spot on the bus sooner rather than later. And we do try and cap our numbers. We don't want it so big that it becomes impersonal. We want you to have the opportunity to speak to Judith. Myself, I'll be on there as well. I wouldn't miss it for the world. There'll be town planners. And as I said, hands-on renovators and live case studies, and take you walk through a bunch of different properties, a bunch of different strategies. It is a fun day. So hope you can make it. Otherwise, next Tuesday, 8 p.m, Judith's webinar. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.